Hey YouTube, I was doing some math and I was working on my absolute value functions and greater than, less than shit. And I wanted to show you some cool stuff. It's basically just regular algebra, man. Except for you got some weird uh, signs like this right here is your absolute value. See that? It's kind of blurry. That's your absolute value. And then you got this right here, which you have the alligator that's trying to eat the one. So this is less than one or equal to. Well, the thing is about absolute value functions. One, I like to write my variables first in the thing. So I'm just going to rewrite this equation as negative 4x plus 8 is less than or equal to 1. See what I did there? See that right there is a negative 4. It's 8 minus 4x. So that's a positive 8. So then I was all like, negative 4x plus 8, because you can switch them. Now, the thing is about absolute value, and here's the trick. Here's how you do it. You can write it out, negative 4x plus 8 is greater than or less than or equal to 1, right? Or you could do negative 4x plus 8 is greater than or less than or equal to negative 1. You need to find x in both values, okay? So now we're going to solve for x on each one. So first I want to subtract 8 from both sides. So that means negative 4x is less than or equal to negative 7, right? See that? Since they're both negative, I can make them both positive. So then I have x is less than or equal to 7 divided by 4, because then I divided both sides by 4. So there's one of my x's. Now I need to find this x. Again, subtract 8 from both sides. That leaves me with negative 4x is less than or equal to negative 9. And then I can make both of those positive. And then I have x is less than or equal to 9 over 4. And that's my other x. Now all you got to do is put that shit in your calculator. Now remember, absolute value of something means that it's always positive. As soon as this camera focuses. Well, I got the formula right here. It says 1 to x is right. 7 divided by 4 times negative 4 and then plus 8. That gives you 1. Right there. Then we'll do this other one. 9 divided by 4. This should be negative 1 when I'm done. Now multiply that by 4 plus 8, and it gives me negative 1. Oh shit, you can't see it. Look at that. So now I know these two answers are right. So how I'm going to write it is, the solution to this problem is, in brackets, 7 over 4, comma, 9 over 4. And it's in brackets because it equals these answers. But that's the answer. So that's the answer to the absolute value of x minus 4x is less than or equal to 1. So any questions, then ask somebody later.